Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to set up and use Firebase Database. First, you need to choose which database to use. Firebase offers two main options. Cloud Firestore is recommended for most new projects. It is flexible, scalable, and uses collections and documents to organize data. The second option is Realtime Database. It stores data as one large JSON tree and is useful when you need fast, real-time updates across users, like chat apps or live dashboards. Now, open your browser and go to the Firebase console. Click on Add Project and follow the steps. Give your project a name and continue. Once your project is created, you will see the dashboard. Next, enable the database. On the left side menu, click on Database and Storage. Then choose either Firestore Database or Realtime Database depending on your needs. Click on Create Database to begin setup. You will now choose a location. Select a region that is closest to your users. This is important because it affects performance and cannot be changed later. After that, you will set security rules. For learning and testing, select Test Mode. This allows open access for a limited time. Before launching your app, make sure to switch to secure rules to protect your data. Finally, connect your app to Firebase. Go to Project Settings and register your app, whether it is web, Android, or iOS. Follow the instructions to download and add the configuration file to your project. Now your Firebase database is ready to use. Thanks for watching.